Yo, what's up, man? It's the pilot and I'm back. You know? Hey, I have a very special episode for you guys today. The reason why I say special is because you guys know I preach about getting all of these items, whether it be Jordans, whether it be designer items, whether it be sneakers, whatever it may be, and getting those things for half of the price, a fraction of the price. And a lot of us, if we're not heavily into it, we don't think we can get it. Guys, this is a denim jacket that I've been looking for, that I had my eyes on for like 2 years. It came out like late 2018. And I was like, one day if that goes on sale, I'm buying it. And I had my money saved up for it. And guess what? I got a special call, a special text message from a sales associate, and he was like, hey, we got your jacket and it's on sale. I was like, what? And it came to me. It's been a long, it's been a long way for you, baby. And I finally got you. I got you. It's a Balenciaga denim jacket, graffiti jacket. Okay? Guys, you guys know how big I am about boots and denim jackets, right? Because I feel like those are the starter kits for you guys getting more fashionable, anyone getting more into fashion, right? But yo, the detail on here is freaking amazing. Hopefully I have some B-roll for you guys at some point. But you look at the back right here, it's got the skull on it. It says Balenciaga right here. All of this stuff is hand done by someone, and I think they only made a certain amount of these. I'm not really sure, but I mean, maybe you guys may know more than me. It says Paris right here in red. It has a bunch of different stuff on it. I like the snake a whole lot. It has a checkerboard right here. It has a little skull. Like, the more I look at the jacket, the more stuff I see on it. It has a little skull right here. It has the BB for that. For Balenciaga right there. I don't know what this blue part says right here, but it's called Balenciaga Paris 7500. The little red got the, oh man, detail on the collar. Where's that dagger at? Has flames coming out this pocket right here. This dagger is drawn in right here, as you can see. Man, there's so many different things in here. It's dope. Let me put this on for you guys. The retail price on this is like 2,200 bucks. I got it for a fraction of that. Okay, because I waited. And it's very important, guys, when you go shopping for some of these at some of these stores, you know, hey, let the sales associate like, hey man, you know, I can't get this, but if this goes on sale, let me know. Now, I wouldn't, well, what I have on right now, I wouldn't necessarily wear this with this shirt, but I had to put it on for you guys. This is a size 36, which to me is kind of like probably like an XL 2X. It fits pretty big. It's a little oversized, but I got it to fit me the right way. Not too oversized, but it's not fitted either. Yeah. I'm really at a loss for words, guys, because this is a jacket that I've been wanting forever. When I saw it, I was just like, I can't pay a full 2,400 bucks after tax. Yeah, 2,300 bucks for this jacket. Like, it's just a denim jacket at the end of the day. And what's funny is, if I have a picture of it, I tried to duplicate it myself and it came out. It didn't come out too well. It was fun trying to make it, but it didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out. That makes sense. So, yeah, man. Now I got the real thing, and I'm happy with it, man. Like I said, hopefully I had some B-roll for you guys. You guys were able to see it, but is it worth How much I paid for it? Probably not. Is it a piece that I'm going to value, I'm going to keep for a long time? Yes. Do I know anybody else with a jacket like this? Absolutely not. All right? Guys, tell me what you think. Do you like the jacket? You know? And guys, when I tell you guys this stuff, my whole premise of my channel, help you guys that are just, you know, trying to get over that style hump and help you guys find bargains on designer items like I do myself, because I don't pay full price for hardly anything that I get. I either wait for it to go on sale or I hunt for it online until I find it on sale. Alright? Guys, that is pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe, and remember, you are the flyest motherfucker on earth. I'll see y'all later.